Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in WhatsApp on desktop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to tap open your WhatsApp app in your desktop or MacBook if you're using so once you open it, tap on the get started option and then you will receive a QR code on your screen. So now all you need to do is simply tap open your WhatsApp on your mobile phone or any other linked device, and once you open it, you need to scan the QR code that have been shown on the computer screen. So once the QR code has been scanned, you will automatically get logged into your account by the help of your scanned QR code. However, if you have not logged in one or you have creating an account, you need to follow the step by typing in your number and creating an account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.